Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Cloudflare SSL certificate, get and install free SSL. To get started, open your Cloudflare account homepage in your browser. Once you are logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all of your connected websites are listed. From here, select the domain you want to secure. This takes you into the settings area for that specific site where Cloudflare lets you manage security, performance, and SSL options. After opening the correct domain, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on SSL TLS. This section is where Cloudflare handles encryption settings for your website. If you're setting up a free SSL certificate for your origin server, this is the places you'll be working in. Next, click on Origin Server. This area is specifically designed for generating origin certificates that help secure the connection between Cloudflare and your hosting server. It's important to understand that this certificate is meant for your server-side setup, not for direct public browser trust on its own. Cloudflare uses it to create a secure link between their network and your website's hosting environment. Now click on Create Certificate. Cloudflare will open the certificate generation form where you can choose the settings for the new SSL certificate. In the private key section, select RSA 2048. This is a common and widely supported key type, making it a practical choice for many hosting environments. If you're following along exactly with this process, make sure that option is selected before moving on. Then choose the certificate validity period based on the years option shown on your screen. This determines how long the certificate will remain valid before it needs to be replaced. Be sure to select the option required for your setup. Once everything is set, click Create. Cloudflare will then generate the certificate and private key for you. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. These prompts typically guide you through copying the certificate details and installing them on your hosting server or control panel. As you complete the setup, take your time and make sure each field is copied and placed exactly where required. SSL configuration depends on accurate installation, so even small mistakes can cause issues. After installation, you can return to Cloudflare and verify that the certificate is active and working as expected. That's it. You've now gone through the process of creating a free Cloudflare SSL certificate and preparing it for installation on your server.